Hi guys. We found a dog walk area and Ted has a surprise in the middle of it.
Okay.
So
okay.
we're gonna see what it is.
You be careful, watch where you walk. That's all I recommend.
Okay. Is this a birthday surprise?
You guys are gonna be blown away.
Oh yeah, it is Mom's birthday today. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh God.
So we're going off the trail now. This is not the pet walk.
What is this?
This is a birthday miracle right here.
Are you kidding me right now?
What do you see?
Wood.
This is the original train tracks from the...
No way.
Yeah. Keep going, you see more.
Oh my goodness. So yes, there was a real train, guys. Back in 1971,
They built a Fort Wilderness Railroad, and apparently this was the exact railroad, the exact
How
location.
cool is this?
See this? Are you playing in the rock? Can we find something really important?
Yeah, we sure did. Choo choo.
We left Ted!
Where'd your Ted go? I'm riding the train right now. All aboard!
Let's go.
There's the actual track right there.
How did you know this?
I am just full. I am a plethora of useful information. Useless information.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at the smile on your face. You better record yourself. Turn that phone around. Record yourself. Let me see. Happy
Wait,
birthday,
you
Mama.
can't. Wait, you can't smile.
Happy birthday.
Happy
No
birthday.
smiling.
No smiling.
What are you walking right now?
I'm walking on the train tracks.
The original train
Yes.
tracks. Yes.
That's really cool.
Really
Thank you.
important.
Oh,
This is really, really.
Family Channel.
This is really important
This is important. Why is it important?
because it was back a long, long time ago.
Yeah.
Is this where people died once?
No. No,
Oh.
no.
But was someone here and saw this?
Yeah. So, fun fact, Ted came here about 50 years ago.
Huh?
Yeah.
And it was other people here?
Yeah. Other settlers. Kidding. Yes, there are other people. So Grandma Diane took Ted and his brother when they were kids
And how do you know all this stuff?
because we love Disney World.
But and were you here with?
Did you swim in here, Ted?
I did. Excellent.
Mom,
Yeah.
Were you with Ted?
No, I wasn't born then.
This is probably where I was 20 years old.
Yeah. It's where Ted went swimming, guys.
I do remember something
Yeah.
like that.
Can
Don't
we?
go down there, Maddie, please.
No.
Because you're going to slip, you're going to end up in there and then...
Real
Please
water?
don't. Yeah. Doesn't that look enchanting?
Oh, it's a swamp.
Yeah. That's where Ted swam.
That was the old swimming pool right there. It's good, Maddie.
I'll pick that up.
Oh.
Ooh, that was
Oh, you guys might want to
That's
come
a
up this
swamp.
way. Yeah, come.
Is that Ollie?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
There's an alligator coming up to. Come on.
Is that the alligator?
Yeah, come.
Ooh.
Alligator. Alligator's coming?
All
How
right.
was that for a little surprise?
That was a great surprise. Thank you so much. All right. You guys like that?
Yeah, but did you know that all this
All
stuff?
the time
I had
you've
no
been
idea.
here, you never knew this was
We've been here about 100 times and I had no idea.
all those times you've been here.
Yeah.
Right here, it goes that way too, but they got it fenced off.
Yeah.
Yay!
Pretty cool. Thank you.
More twin
All right. Well, like and subscribe.